Enjoy the view of this 2023 Nissan Rogue. This feature-rich Rogue adds confidence and convenience to everyday life. Standard driver assist safety tech, large cargo capacity, and spacious seating have your back wherever the road may lead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, proximity key entry, keyless entry, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, backup camera, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor, steering wheel audio controls. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.